If I told you that there's a way to make passive income online using a strategy that you can set up in less than 5 minutes, you'd be totally interested, right? Well, today is your lucky day because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. With the strategy I will share with you, you can get paid anything from 50 cents to $4 again and again and again. This earning potential is unlimited, so that means it's possible to make hundreds of dollars every day. Plus, this is completely free and works all over the world. So, watch closely till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any details for this strategy. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. So this new strategy of making money online is really simple and easy, yet can make you hundreds of dollars in passive income. The first thing to do is to go to cpalead.com. You can access this website from anywhere in the world. I will show you how to use this site to make a lot of money. And it's a great site because you can get paid daily. And don't worry, you won't need to sell anything to earn on this site. This site is used by many big companies that make offers. I'm gonna show you to easily and quickly get leads for free without selling and make money online as a result. So, now that we are on CPA Lead, click on this sign up button. You can sign up using your Facebook or Google account. As you can see here, they make $1 minimum daily payments. They also have daily and weekly payment options. In case you're wondering what CPA is, it stands for Cost Per Acquisition or Cost Per Action. So, when somebody completes a specific action, such as signing up for something, you get paid. That somebody doesn't even need to make any purchase. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible for you to use this passive income strategy, so keep watching closely till the end of this video. Once you sign up for an account, you will now be in your dashboard. Since your account is brand new, you'll see that you have 0 sales. Over here, you'll find your offers, your statistics, and your landing page, and more. So in the Offers tab, go to the Country filter. When you click on this, you will see which countries you can do this in. As you can see here, it's available in many different countries and regions, like the US, Australia, Asia Pacific, Middle East, India, and more. You will also see here offer type, devices, and advertisers. You can leave the settings as is, just like here. Now, pay close attention because I will now show you the best offers to use to earn passive income. Scrolling down, you can see that there are different offers. You can also see here that there are corresponding layouts. So what happens is these companies want people to sign up for their offers so they can make money from these signups. Scroll down to familiarize yourself with the kind of offers available here. There's a lot. But what you need to look for is stuff like gift cards. So keep scrolling till you find gift card offers. They can be restaurant gift cards or gift cards from different stores. Right now, this is only showing offers in the US because that's what we've set our country filter to. But you can change this to whatever country you wish, or to even all the countries if you want to. But for now, we'll leave it set to the US. So look for a good gift card offer. Remember, look over here to see the payout rate for that offer. Once you find a gift card offer that you like, just click on the offer and a box will pop up that now has your link. So when you share your unique link, you can get paid with this amount that is shown under payout. Super simple and easy, right? When somebody clicks on your link, he or she will be taken to the offer, and when they complete that offer, you get paid. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm sure you're wondering, where can I share this link, or how can I get people to click on my link? I promised you earlier that I'll show you how to get free traffic so you can have people click on your link. That's what I'm gonna do now, so continue watching closely. We will go to tryinteract.com. Click here to create your free account and fill in all the details requested. Click to agree to their terms and privacy policy and tick I'm not a robot. Now click Create My Account. You'll be sent an email with a link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, just answer a couple of questions and click Submit. you will now be in your dashboard. You can see here different quiz templates, and ignore everything there and just go to the last item in the left column that says Start from Scratch. It will take you to this page. Click on the first box that says Assessment, and you will be taken to this page. Don't get overwhelmed because this is actually simpler than it looks. So here we are going to create a very quick quiz. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. In the Untitled quiz box here, you can type in something like this. Answer this for a chance to win a $100 gift card. Then you'll need to upload a photo to make this even more presentable. So come over to Google Images and search for a gift card photo. Right-click on the photo you like and choose Copy Image. Now come on over to Canva.com. On Canva, you will resize the photo to 900 by 400 pixels because that is the required size for the quiz photo. So click here on Create a New Design and then come over here. Right-click and paste the copied image here and just drag and crop the image to the right size. Now, download this image to your computer. So now come back to your dashboard on tryinteract.com and upload that photo just like this. Just click here on Upload. Choose the photo. We resized and this photo will now be uploaded right here. You can move this around, make a few adjustments if needed, then click here to save. Next, go to this box below the photo you just uploaded and type in the instructions. You can type something like this. Answer this very simple question and follow the instructions for a chance to win a gift card. Now, we need to enter the question for a very short quiz. So, click here on Questions in the left column. This is where you will type out the question. You only need to type out one question. Just make it very simple like this. Do you like freebies? Then type out the answers in these multiple choice questions. You can set the answer to something like this. A. Indeed I do. And B. No thanks, I don't need extra cash. Or create your own. Over here is where you can set the correct answer. Just click on the correct answer for your quiz. In this case, it will be A, indeed I do. So when they click on the correct answer, they will get a green light like this. Now that you've set the correct answer, click the red Save button right here. Now go to Results over here and set your call to action. So type something like, take me to the freebie. Then click this which says URL where you will paste your CPA link. To do that, let's go back to cpalead.com and copy our unique link right here. Then let's go back to tryinteract.com to the quiz we are making and paste the link there in the call to action URL box. After that, click Save. Now you can click the red button that says Publish over here. From this box, choose Publish as is. You will now see the live link to your quiz. All you need to do now is copy this link, and that is the link we will be sharing later on. So, when people click on this link and complete the quiz, you can now get paid again and again. The more you share this link, the more people you will reach, the more you get paid. To preview your quiz, come back to this page and you'll see the quiz you created. Click on Preview Quiz. So when someone takes and completes your quiz, they will be taken to the gift card offer you chose. And once they sign up, you'll get paid for that. Where can you share this quiz now to get people to come to your offer? The best place for me is Facebook, especially Facebook groups. So in Facebook, search for sweepstakes or giveaways. So you see here that we've got groups like this one here or this one here. So join these groups. They have hundreds of people in these groups. So just think of how many people will be signing up for your offer, especially if you chose an offer that's available around the world. So these groups were formed for this kind of stuff, so you won't get banned or blocked. Once you've joined the appropriate Facebook group, make a post by typing, "How would you like to make $100 for free?" Just click the link below and follow the instructions. Then type in your quiz link there. You will see a preview to your quiz with the photo you set up for it. It's gonna pop up in the Facebook group and anyone in the group can click on this link, take your quiz and sign up. And that's how you can make really easy extra passive income. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.